sa aking channel. At today, meron tayong i-unbox na appliance. Ayan, very excited ako because if you're looking for a way to take a bath despite this very cold weather, ito na yung sagot. So, bumili po ako ng isang shower heater at i-unbox ko. Kasama po kayo. So, please stay tuned. So, eto nga, bumili po tayo ng shower heater dahil nga super lamig ng tubig this month. And I tell you, it's even harder to take a bath. And one of the reasons why I really love checking into hotels with the family at times, what I most look forward to is actually the hot shower. And I'm sure you do too. So, what if we can have that hot shower sa sarili nating bahay? Since pandemic, hindi naman din tayo makaka-check-in sa hotel. So, ito nga, naghanap ako ng affordable. Hindi naman siya yung pinakamura. Merong mas mura pa sa market na nakita ko. But, based on the reviews on Shopee, ito talaga ang masasabi natin na trustworthy. And I'm really hoping that it will be a bang for my buck. So, I purchased this from Shopee and it's a Joven hot shower for 3,599 pesos. Syempre, plus shipping. And I was very happy kasi saglit lang din naman siya na deliver. Ayan, from the seller. So, bubuksan na po natin. Tingnan po natin yung laman. And then, hopefully, ma-show ko sa inyo na kapag nakakabit na siya. Ayan. So first, let's go through the description on the box. So on the box, it says it has a built-in eel system and a sensitivity with surge protector, electronic power control, energy-saving, innovative SF valve. It has a safety thermostat or a thermal cutout, splash waterproof protection, and a 5-spray pattern hand shower. So definitely, you will have to have an outlet within your shower so that pwede nyo siyang ikabit or magpapakabit kayo sa electrician. You can see the box is pretty big. Ayan. Medyo nga lang meron damage yung box. So I'm not sure if this is due to shipping, but I'm hoping it won't affect yung outcome ng product. And here, meron siyang quality sticker pero umangat na. So I'm also hoping na, ayun nga, wala siyang damage or hindi siya na-tamper with. Kasi it is actually just came wrapped in bubble wrap. Ayun. So, let's open up po. So, mukha naman siyang hindi naman na-tamper. And this is what you have. This is the actual unit. And then we'll open up kung ano yung nandito sa box. Okay. So, in the box, what we will find here is yung kanyang hose. At ito, syempre, yung kinakabit dun sa unit. Ayan. And it has a dual end na po. Ayan. Okay. Right? And then what's next? This is the shower head, yung plastic shower head. Meron din siyang 5 ways, of course, for the water flow. Okay. Ayan. This is for the control for the shower head mismo, of course. And then we have this, which is the soap dish. Ito yung ina-attach dun sa shower head pati. And also for the soap dish. And we have something else, which I'm expecting that this is for the actual shower. Ayan. So, wala na po naman yung box. Ayan na po. Let's put that aside. Okay. And then we have here the bar, which is for, of course, the shower head. Right? Ayan. And, of course, for the soap dish. Put that in. And here we go with the unit. May umaalog-alog. Pero I'm hoping that just is actually yung tinatawag nating na screws niya kung ano man yung umaalog sa loob. Ayan. So let's open up the plastic and let's see what's inside of this pack. Ayan, like I said, may umaalog-alog. And I'm hoping nga it's not due to the shipping. Okay, so open up natin. Okay, so this is the actual, ayun, no? You hear that? Sinabagsak mo nga siya kanina, diba? So this is the actual unit na siya, and it comes with, of course, an instruction pamphlet. and also how to install it. So that's what is included. So again, you have here the actual unit, you have the pamphlet, you have this which is for the shower head and also for the soap dish, yung ina-attach natin para dun sa soap dish and the handle. And of course, ito po ang ating shower head. This of course is a connection in order for you to turn on the water, right? Part uli siya ng shower head holder. And of course, ito po para sa ating shower. So, ayan po. Ito yung lahat ng kasama ng ating shower. Very excited to have this installed. Medyo DIY lang naman kami dito ni Papa Tin. So I will have it installed today and I will let you know once that it is installed. Okay, so after a few minutes, mag-heat up siya kapag naka-open yung actual shower. Makikita nyo, naka-red na yung indicator doon. So if naka-red na siya, ibig sabihin nun, heated na yung water. So actually, maligam-gam na siya. And if you want a higher temperature, I would suggest that of course that you move the not the indicator but the temperature control in between medium and high. Ayun, so I'm really happy with the outcome nitong ating shower heater.